Not sure what an IT managed services provider is or what they do? TeamLogic IT has 5 reasons why you need one for your business. MSPs help reduce the risk of downtime and cyber threats by delivering a highly available, more secure IT environment. A reactive IT approach is costly. MSPs provide proactive, preventative, and responsive IT, along with a predictable monthly IT service budget. An MSP helps you achieve greater efficiencies, effectiveness, and productivity throughout your organization. MSPs stay current on the latest IT trends, developments, skills, and certifications so you don't need to. MSPs take care of your IT so you can take care of your business. Move forward with the color of confidence. Call us today to discover why TeamLogic IT is the right MSP for your business.